Artificial neural networks, types, working, and application. Artificial neural networks, ANNs, are a cornerstone of modern artificial intelligence, mimicking the way the human brain processes information. They consist of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that work together to recognize patterns and make decisions based on data. At their core, ANNs are designed to learn from experience, adjusting their internal parameters through a process called training. This enables them to improve their performance over time and handle a wide variety of tasks, from image recognition to natural language processing. There are several types of artificial neural networks, each with distinct architectures suited to different tasks. Feedforward neural networks are the simplest type, where information moves in one direction from input to output. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, on the other hand, excel at processing grid-like data, making them ideal for tasks involving images, such as facial recognition and object detection. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, are designed to handle sequential data and are particularly effective in language modeling and time series prediction, thanks to their ability to maintain memory of past inputs. The working of ANNs is based on a feeding process, where inputs are passed through layers of neurons. Each connection between neurons has an associated weight that adjusts as learning occurs. When an input is received, it is transformed through activation functions at each neuron, contributing to the network's decision-making process. The output layer delivers the final result, which can be used in various applications. This complexity allows ANNs to model intricate relationships within data, a feat that traditional algorithms often struggle to achieve. Applications of artificial neural networks are vast and transformative. In healthcare, they are revolutionizing diagnostics by analyzing medical images and predicting disease outbreaks. In finance, ANNs are deployed for fraud detection and algorithmic trading, spotting trends far beyond human capability. Additionally, they serve as the backbone for virtual assistants, enhancing user experience through voice recognition and personalized recommendations. Moreover, the advent of autonomous vehicles relies heavily on ANNs to interpret sensor data and navigate real-world environments safely. The future of artificial neural networks holds enormous promise, with ongoing research pushing the boundaries of what machines can learn and achieve. As technology advances, ANNs will likely become even more integrated into our daily lives, driving innovation across industries. Understanding the types, workings, and applications of ANNs is crucial for anyone interested in the emerging landscape of artificial intelligence, as they continue to shape our world in profound ways.